Hey guys, it's me down here in the corner. Does it work better that way? Yeah, it works better that way. I dressed silly in hopes that you might actually listen to me this time. So here it is. I'll give you another video tomorrow. Tomorrow there's no real class. There's no um, new problems assigned or anything like that. Tomorrow I'll just give you a pep talk to get you fired up for the exam. But I want to walk through with you today some things that you should have probably already read that you might not have read. Okay, so I got this email a few days ago, and there's a couple of things they told me to share with you that I've already shared with you before, but let me walk through them with you. One, there's this AP testing guide. Okay, so here's the AP testing guide. I sent it to you guys before. You can flip through it and read it. Okay, there's an exam day checklist I'll show you in a second. There's documents that you can print, which they're kind of useless from these guys. I've got some better ones. There's a testing demo that came out this past week that hopefully you've tried. Okay? And we don't care about word language. Who cares about word language? Google Translator. Okay. So, okay, boom. The AP exam ticket. I'm told you guys got it. You should have gotten it today. You should have gotten an email with your AP exam e-ticket already. If you haven't gotten it, let me know. Let AP Central know. Let Mr. Tadio know. Let your parents know. Let the government know. Okay? It's your own ticket. Don't share it with somebody else. Don't have somebody else take the test for you. Okay? So make sure you got it. Bing. Our exam. We're AP Calculus. We're Tuesday, May 12th. These are all the times. They're all the same time. Okay? We're in the Eastern time zone. So it's 2 p.m. in the Eastern time zone. That is us. That is when our AP exam is. So it's this Tuesday, May 12th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There's a June makeup date. If you don't take the test this Tuesday, say you wake up sick, say there's power outage, say there's something really good on TV at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and you can't tape it, if you don't take the test this Tuesday for any reason, you automatically roll over to the June date. Okay, where are we? Can I find us? Anybody see us? It's hard to see with these glasses. We're Monday, June 1st at Eastern Time, 4 p.m. So if you don't take it this Tuesday, you automatically roll over. You don't even have to do anything. That's me waiting. They will automatically send you a new ticket 2 days before that testing date. So Monday, June 1st, sounds like you'll probably get it Saturday, whatever that day is. Okay? If you don't take it then either, then they're going to automatically give you your money back. Okay. So, again, we are 2 o'clock in the afternoon this Tuesday. Everybody's taking it at the same time. Okay? What's going to happen? It's not going to be any more difficult than a 3, 4, or 5 this year. I think everybody's going to get a 3 or above. I hope. Please don't take that as a challenge. You're a resilient problem solver. As I tell you, you're the future of the world. Say then you get to dress up weird and talk to your students. So please, complete everything on the exam. Don't panic. And I'll give you more of this in my pep talk tomorrow. If there's something in the first part that you can't get, maybe you can get part B, maybe you can get part C. They're not necessarily related. Don't give up just because you can't get the first part. Hopefully we don't go down this path. If you don't get the score you think, I somehow can lobby for you, but I'm not sure what that's going to look like. What else? Guys, you've got a couple different ways that you can do the AP exam. I kind of anticipate most of you guys are going to do it with a phone, cell phone, or maybe an iPad, where you're going to read the prompt on your iPad or your cell phone. You're going to do it on a piece of paper. You're going to take a picture of it, and then you're going to upload it. That's really what I'm thinking you guys are going to do. So I'm going to skip option 1, skip option 2. I really think this is you guys, okay? Please write your AP ID initials and page number on the top of each page so they can kind of put your response back together if they have trouble with that, okay? Write your response as clear as you can. Please, some of you that have really messy handwriting that have been on all year, you've got to write legibly to get credit. When there's 5 minutes remaining, take a photo in vertical orientation, not landscape. Landscape is like sideways, verticals up and down. I'm not sure if you guys know verticals up and down. And then you've got 1 page per photo. and then you're going to be able to attach the photos and click submit. You've got 5 minutes to do that. As long as you hit the submit button before the 5 minutes are over, your stuff's going to get uploaded. Upload time doesn't factor into the 5 minutes. Make sure you attach everything before you hit submit, because once you hit submit, you're done. Bing, bing, bing. That's it. Guys, there is a test thing out there, and I'll get to that in a little while. Hopefully you've already tried that out. What's next? We're not music theory. We're not world language. If you got accommodations, which the most common ones, extended time, that should automatically get factored in. This is the makeup exam. I think I already talked about this. The exam screen will guide students step by step on test day to the moment they click their e-ticket. Most students will be able to navigate the test using only the information on the preceding slides. But things could happen. Okay, so here's more details and tips. Okay, these are things you should do before Tuesday. Okay? Check your technology. I can do it now. If I go here, there is an exam demo that you guys should have already done. They should have sent it to you. I know I've heard from students. So you can put your 8-character API ID in here. I'm going to type practice. Okay, so I can get into the demo. See, it's counting down until the exam's going to start. I can put all my information in here. Just kind of make it all up. It's the date of birth. Let's say May 9th. That was a big day for me. You guys anybody read my post? May 9th, 1980. The first date with my wife. Confirm my email address. Where am I testing from? Home. What? Of course. You use my stuff. I agree to the terms and conditions. Hey guys, agree to the terms and conditions. The first time I did this, I didn't agree to the terms and conditions. And I'm sitting here, I'm like, why the heck can I start? It's because I didn't agree to the terms and conditions. So it's going to begin shortly. I'm going to attach a photo. So guys, that's what you're going to do. So please run through this if you haven't run through it yet. What do we got next? So that's this. Practice submit your exam. And gather what you need for the exam and get your exam confirmation and e-ticket emails. So let's see. You should have already done that. Review your contact information. Check your tech. Again, please run through that demo before the test day so that you know you can do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Check your tech. So make sure that your technology is really going to work. You know how to take pictures and attach them for their site. Make sure you write legibly. Use pencil. Okay, guys, don't erase. If you've got problems, just cross it out and then move on. Don't waste the time erasing. They're okay with you just crossing it out. So again, test your tech. Okay. So what's this? You gotta have your exam ticket checklist, guys. This checklist, I sent it to you already. You should have it. Fill this out. Have it in front of you. It'll reduce your stress. You'll have things in front of you, like write your AP ID down so you're ready to type it in, write it on your page and stuff like that. Write the name of your exam so you know what you're taking. That's really bad if you didn't know that. Our exam date, it is May 12th, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? So it starts at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then, guys, run through these things. You got your e-ticket, hopefully. Hopefully your device is charged. Make sure that you can get to, the AP site, that you practice with the demo. You're not going to type your exam. You're going to handwrite, so make sure you've got plenty of paper in front of you, okay? Don't be searching around for paper. We'll talk about required materials in a second, and security guidelines, which means don't cheat. Test with accommodations if you've got that. Okay, we're not music theory. You're not language and culture. You guys have no culture. During the exam, don't refresh your browser. Don't use the back arrow, okay? Keep the device open so you can see the countdown timer, so you know when you've got 5 minutes left. When there's 5 minutes left, you got to stop working. You got to start taking pictures so you know you're going to make it. Don't think you can eat into all that 5-minute time still working on the problem, because if you don't hit submit in time, you're hosed. Okay, you get 0 points if you don't hit submit before the countdown timer is over. So give yourself 5 minutes to get it all done. All right. If you accidentally close the browser, try and rejoin the exam. You should be okay. If you can't rejoin or whatever, you can request the makeup. That's why you want to take it the first date as opposed to wait and take it the June date, because if you got some problems in the May date, you still have June as a backup. So guys, sign AP and indicate the college university or whatever for information about cheating attempts. Ooh. So guys, that's the checklist. Please fill that out, have it in front of you on test day so you're all ready. Okay, so what can we have? Where are we? Where'd we go? You see us? Oh, there we go. Guys, you're going to have a calculator. Have your calculator. Make sure you got batteries in it, okay? You don't have to use the calculator, but it's nice to have it there. You're not going to be typing, but there's a keyboard tip sheet if you do decide to type. What else we got? Okay. Guys, I'm going to tell you about what other resources we have and things I think that you should have out in front of you. I could talk about that either in this video or the next one. Okay, so you should have gotten your e-ticket. We talked about that. You should have completed the checklist. I just talked about that. Okay, here's exam day. Guys, this is us. We've got 2 questions. Okay, 2 questions. So log in 30 minutes before the exam. That's 1:30. So 1:30, log in. Use your e-ticket to check in. Complete all your identity information. Plug it, type everything you need to type in. So you're just sitting there waiting. You don't want to be doing that like eating into the exam time, because the exam time it's going to start at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock. So make sure that you are ready to go at 2 o'clock. So 1:30, log in. Make sure everything's spread out in front of you. Watch the timer count down. Make sure you click that little accept the terms and conditions button like I didn't do, so that you're all ready to go. Boom. First question comes out. First question comes out. All right? You've got 25 minutes to do it. We've been doing a lot of FRQs. Read through the question. Understand the data they gave you. Try and understand what they're asking you. Think a little bit. Think for 30 seconds, a minute before you start trying to solve it or read. Okay? Calm down. We've done every free response question in the last 9 years that's applicable to this year's test. You guys are very prepared. Tomorrow I'll go over more things to tell you how prepared you are, but you are very prepared. After the 25 minutes, the timer's going to say you got 5 minutes left. You've got to upload. So upload. If you upload before the 5 minutes is left, it's going to start a countdown timer telling you to wait until question number 2 starts. So it looks like probably 2:30 question number 2 is going to start. This one you only have 15 minutes for, and then 5 minutes to submit. Okay, so that's what the test day is going to look like. Log in at 1:30. At 2 o'clock it's going to start. You got 25 minutes for the first one. Once the timer expires, you got 5 minutes to upload. Once you upload, you got to wait. It'll probably be 2:30. The second question is going to start for 15 minutes. Again, read through it, understand the data you've got, relax. Do the test. You're the best and brightest, right? Okay, what else? Music theory, no. Word language, no. Hey, remove distractions. Okay, I'll send you a funny video that Bree sent me of somebody trying to take the AP test during the coronavirus with somebody getting a drive-by birthday celebration across the street. But try and get in a place that you can work comfortably, okay? Okay, they talk a lot about cheating stuff. You can read through that. Okay, so I already talked about this 30 minutes before the exam. You're going to write it all out. You're going to write your initials. You're going to write your AP ID. Please watch the time, okay? How much time you left to submit the work, okay? Make sure the 5 minutes start, you got to start thinking about submitting. Take pictures of all your files. You're going to paste them all in. Upload photo. Practice that so you're good at it, so you know what to do it. So even when you're stressed during the test, you're going to be successful. Then hit submit. Once you hit submit, boom, it's in. So these are all the possible things that could go wrong. You can read through them. And this is them telling you that when your scores are going to be available, usually around July 15th. This is all the colleges telling you you're still going to get credit for it. So check your browser, make sure, again, just check your tech out. So guys, that's that document. So please, make sure you get through those 2 documents, okay? What else do I have in this email? So I just went through that testing guide. There's an overview video, okay? I just pulled this up. This is a browser open.
This video will walk you through.
This is a cool video to listen to. It kind of walks you through
the AP 2020
walks you through the test day. It's definitely, I'm going to not sit here walk you guys through the whole thing, but you should definitely watch it. I'll give you the link for it, just in case you haven't. I'm always interested in what pops up over in the right, you know? Like, I'm not sure what causes these things to come up. Why would everyone cheat? In my other browser, if I go over to that one, it had, where's that one? I have so many tabs open this one. Daily Mass, I like that one, but whatever. So guys, watch that video. What else we got here? Take the exam demo. And tomorrow, or maybe a later video, I'll talk about all the resources that I think that are available to you guys that you should have out the day of the exam. I think that's it. The things that I wanted to go through. I'm looking at my list. I don't see anything because the list is blank. So good luck. Let me know what questions you have. I have gotten some random questions about this stuff. That's why I wanted to put out this video today. Look for another video later tonight or tomorrow where I cover the resources that are available that you should use, and just generally trying to psych you up for the exam. I'll try and wear a different hat tomorrow. Good luck and sleep.